Alright everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own letter template in Google Docs. So let's get into the video. If you don't have a Google account, make sure you have a Google account because that's what Google Docs is for. So you need a Google account to have Google Docs. So to create a new document, type docs.new in your URL bar and hit enter. And then up here, just for reference in your title, make sure to just type in whatever you want that will help you remember. So make it letter. Okay, and if you have pageless enabled by default like me, you're going to want to go to format, switch to pages format, and then you'll be in page mode. So next, there are two ways we're going to start with this next section, and that is there are two ways we're going to start in this section, and that is your name and address, etc., if you want to put that in. So, first way to do it on the header is just double click and you want to hit, leave it the way it is. And then you're going to type in your name. And then, if you want, you can add a special character, like this arrow. And then, then you want to type in your email, if you have one, if you want to include that. And then once you do that, you're going to hit enter. And then you're going to want to continue. You can type in your address if you want, and you want to add your special character if you want to add that. And then you can do that with any other information you need to type in. Okay. And you can do that. Then if you don't want it in the header, you can just do it down here. Okay. So, and make sure it's left centered. And you can choose any font. I usually do Times New Roman. My personal favorite. Times New Roman, but you're gonna do a different font just for now. Then you're gonna hit enter, and then you're gonna want to have your body text. So you wanna hit enter, hit tab, maybe type your name, and then your message. And that will continue to go down for the length of the letter. So I'm gonna fill in some text and I'll see you when I'm done with that. Alright, I'm back. So now we have all this text, and you can format it by having your message and then having all your stuff there. And you can, and what you want to do is at the end, remember to do your tab and then your name if you want to do it that way. And also that's basically it. So now you have your body text, and if you are making a multiple page letter, you're wanting to go to click on your header and hit options. So you're going to go to your header and hit options, and then you're going to hit page numbers, and you can select header or footer depending on which one you want. I'm going to select footer and start whichever number you want. Hit apply. And now you have a page number down here. Also, if you want to, you can change the font of that page number. So yeah, that's how you can make a business letter in Google Docs. And if you want to download this, I will have a link in the description from my website. I will put the drive link onto my website, and you can download it from there. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.